We're all part of the head office support team here at Revive.
And this is Revive Under the Spotlight.
Do you have a funny memory at Revive?
Every day is a fun day at Revive.
There you go. Every day's a fun day.
I've got a million funny memories at Revive. Which are the ones that I can share on camera is the question.
Some of the very early conferences were a bit wacky.
I got invited to a charity ball with some of our directors and other employees, and there was a sit-down dinner and there was a table entertainer, so we went round with a mic and was singing, and I ended up grabbing this microphone and singing George Ezra Shotgun to the entire room of 200 plus people.
I remember an after work thing, but a few people posed atop the hood of their car taking photos of each other. That was quite amusing.
Wasn't me.
Probably the Olympic Day we organised, where one of the challenges was to see how many items you could put on one of your teammates in an allotted amount of time, and somehow Sam ended up with a bin on his head.
Every year we do a conference video which focuses more on a trend that happened online over the previous year. We've had some good times filming those. I think they can be quite entertaining.
Our conference a few years ago, early hours of the morning, for whatever reason, myself and Sam Brown had been vaulting over like a booth in the bar. I have no idea why. And a franchisee saw this, who is significantly larger than I am, and he thought he would join in. But instead of just vaulting it like a normal person, he ran and jumped over like kind of Superman towards us. And Sam Brown, who's twice the size of me and goes to the gym every day, decided he would move out of the way rather than catch the guy. So it just fell to me.